Okay, so the best compliment I've ever received about Paradise Plum is definitely when people tell me that the song is like stuck in their head and they cannot stop singing it. I just think it's one of the best compliments. It just means that the song has what I call stickability, and that I did a good job at writing a hook and writing a melody that will never get out of your head, you know what I mean? I think that's every musician's dream, is to create something that resonates with people and that sticks in their hearts, sticks in their minds. Next question was, what is my favorite guilty pleasure and why? So, I have zero guilty pleasures, because anything I do that I really enjoy, that I do for myself, there's no reason to feel guilty for doing it. Because clearly I need to do some things that I love too. You know what I'm saying? Like, we have to do so much things in life that we hate and that we don't enjoy. So when I do things that I enjoy that bring me pleasure, there are no guilts whatsoever. So sorry, I have no guilty pleasures.